Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stock market today. Dow burst sharper close, recession favors spikes. Investing.com, the Dow closed sharply lower on the week and briefly fell into bear market territory Friday as investors fret about the potential of the deeper and darker recession amid growing worries that the Federal Reserve will overshoot out rate hikes. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 1.6% or 486 points and fell into bear market territory in intraday as losses exceeded 20% from the January peak. The S&P 500 fell 1.7% to close at its lowest level since June. The Nasdaq slipped 1.8%. Energy slumped 6%, pressured by surge in the dollar and worries that the deeper global recession will hurt energy demand. Marathon Petroleum Corp. NYSE MPC Occidental Petroleum Corporation NYSE OXY and Kinder Morgan INC NYSE KMI were down, each down more than 4%. Fears of a recession have intensified this week after the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell signaled that the central bank would remain on mission to curb inflation at the expense of economic growth. The Fed pushed its rate hikes forecast to 4.4% for 20 and 22, up from 3.4% previously, signaling further jumbo-side hikes ahead, with the Fed hiking rates into a slowing economy in which inflation is still well above trend. Morgan Stanley warned that weakness the economic activity will be more broadly spread. The bank cut its United States growth forecast to 0% in 20 and 22 from 0.2% previously, and its 20 and 23 forecast to 0.5% from 1.3% previously. The Dow was also traded lower by more than 5% plunge in Boeing NYSE after the aerospace company said it had reached a $200 million settlement on charges it misled investors about the 737 MAX crashes. Consumer stocks, which are also acutely vulnerable to slowing economic growth, fell more than 2% as investor prices in softer consumer spending. Amazon Nasdaq AMZN slipped more than 3%, while travel and leisure stocks defended their losses for the week, with cruise line and casino stocks coming under heavy pressures. Tech stocks also played a big role in the broader market meltdown. Apple, Nasdaq, AAPL, Meta Platforms, Nasdaq, META, Alphabet, INC, Nasdaq, GWGL, and Microsoft, Nasdaq, MSFT were down more than 1%. FedEx, NYSE, FDX, meanwhile fell more than 3% as Wall Street casts doubt on whether the shipping giant's cost-saving measures will be enough to offset falling shipping volumes and higher inflation. The company lays fiscal first quarter results that fell short of estimates, but announced it plans to ramp up shipping rates and generate total cost savings of 2.2% to $2.7 billion. The cost-saving numbers, while impressive on a headline basis, is likely not early enough in the context of high inflation and declining volumes, this bank said in a note. Stocks tumble, dollar soars, and bonds plunge. Recession fears grow. New York or London returns. United States and European stocks topped on Friday. The dollar scaled to 22-year high and bonds sold off again as fears grow that the central bank's precision of raising interest rates to tame inflation will drag major economies into recession. The Dow narrowly missed confirming a bear market as a deepening downturn is in business activity across the Eurozone, and United States business activity contracting for a third stage month in September left Wall Street wallowing in a sea of red. The British currency debt prices weakened further after the United Kingdom government announced it hedged debt finance tax cut that will boost borrowing, sending United Kingdom bond yields vaulting higher in their biggest daily increases in decades. I think that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel.